with those bites you can get significantly ill. To start this forest hike, I show you my essentials, most importantly this spray here against ticks and mosquito bites, which I highly recommend in the summer. Right when we entered the forest, we were lucky enough to spot 2 deers, which is quite unusual because they're very scared of humans. Could be the fact that it was early in the morning, and also they seemed pretty young. The Odenwald is home to red deers and roe deers, wild bears, foxes, badgers, squirrels, woodpeckers, and many species of owls and songbirds. Odenwald is a paradise for hikers. It offers around 6,000 kilometers of marked hiking trails, from short family walks to long-distance adventures. Some of the most famous routes include the 130-kilometer Nibelungenstieg and the Neckarsteig. Along the way you discover castles, rock landscapes, streams and incredible viewpoints. Whether you're here for exercise, photography, or simply to enjoy the fresh forest air, every walk through this forest offers a chance to slow down and reconnect with nature. Like many forests in Central Europe, the Odenwald faces challenges from climate change, drought, storms, or bark beetles, which can weaken or damage trees. Some of the forest path can look more like an off-road track, so it's a good idea to use a hiking app like Komoot, All Trails or Outdoor Active to stay on the right route and avoid getting lost. It can be so tempting to follow a small trail that disappears into the woods, but it's usually best to stick to the marked path. Not only will it help you to stay on course, but in some protected areas, leaving those designated trails isn't allowed. It's helping to protect the wildlife and the forest to everyone to enjoy. If you're planning an active holiday in the Odenwald, hiking is one of the best ways to explore this region. Most people comfortably cover between 10 and 20 kilometers in one day, depending on the terrain and how many breaks obviously they take. With the right clothing and waterproof footwear, hiking can be enjoyable in almost any weather, whether it's a sunny summer day or a cool autumn morning. Just to be sure to check the forecast before you head out, and make sure you pack plenty of water. Thanks for joining me on this forest hike. If you enjoy staying active, exploring new places, or just getting outdoors, this is the right channel for you. So we finished the little hike. We started around 8, now it's 10.
And yeah, we hiked close to 5k. One big advice, this part of Germany has ticks. With those bites you can get significantly ill. We sprayed ourselves before, but make sure you check yourself and stay safe. Well, I hope this video gave you some nice insights to what this part of Germany has to offer. Take care until the next video. Bye!